Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Here I'll show you how to show a chart or your data in chart. Now before we start, let's go ahead and see the end result. So over here, if we click on the button, we'll load data, and here we'll see our sales data, or it could be any data. Now from the top here we see that it's daily data. Okay, now we can switch between the tabs. So in this case I can do monthly data. So as you can see over here, we have the months and we have certain amount over here, and you can also switch between yearly data. So as you can see, it's 2023 and this is this year. So in this year we have 168. So anyway, let's go back to our daily data, which is more visualized, and here we can see the date. Now to show or work with data like this, we have to use a plugin, the plugin called syncfusion. So this is a syncfusion Flutter charts plugin, and it got a lot of like, and it gave you a basic example. But in my case, our data is more complex, as you can see from here. So we have tabs to switch between different kind of data. So for this reason, actually, I have recreated this example, and I put the code and example link over here. So just hover over to this link over here and you'll see the complete code. And if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you.